In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer site ownership on WIX. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can transfer the ownership of a premium site to another WIX account. When transferring, you can also transfer the site's domain and any associated Google Workspace business email. Choose to include these when prompted during the transfer process. So all that you have to do to transfer a premium website is the email of the person that you want to transfer the site to. After you start the transfer process, they will receive a confirmation email, which they need to accept to complete this process. Once you transfer it, the site ownership will be fully sent over to the new owner. Your payment information is not going to be transferred, and the new site owner will manage all future subscription payments. So to actually do this, go over to your site's dashboard, click the Site Actions icon at the top of the home page, and one of the options in the drop-down menu that appears is going to be Transfer Site. So when you choose Transfer Site, you will be able to transfer it by filling out the transfer ownership form. So enter the email address associated with the new owner's WIX account, choose a description of your relationship with the transferee, enable or disable a lot of options. You will be able to transfer the site plan, transfer domain and business email, and transfer premium apps if applicable. You just have to choose these in detail according to your preferences. Select or deselect the Keep My Role as co-owner of the site after this transfer. If it remains selected, you will still be a collaborator on the site with limited access, and the new owner can revoke your access if they want to. And by deselecting this, you will no longer stay as a collaborator, meaning that you won't be able to edit or manage the site in any way. Finally, you have the option to create a copy of the site and keep it in your account. And after all of this is done, you can click Continue, review the transfer summary, and you will be good to go to transfer the full ownership. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer site ownership on WIX. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.